Thuvakudi, Thuvakudi, is a town in Tiruchirappalli district in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is an industrial town housing more than 250 industries and is located in the national highway NH65 between Tiruchirappalli and Thanjavur. The town has a dry weather, making it suitable for dry crops like cotton, chillies and millets. Thuvakudi comes under the Thiruverumbur, which elects a member to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly once every 5 years, and it is a part of the Tiruchirappalli Lok Sabha constituency, which elects its Member of Parliament once in 5 years. The town is administered by the Thuvakudi municipality, which covers an area of 14.37 square kilometers. In 2001, the town had a population of 38,887. The town is a part of the fertile Cauvery Delta region, but manufacturing industries and stone quarrying are the major occupations. Roadways are the major mode of transportation to Thuvakudi, and the nearest airport is Tiruchirappalli Airport, located 25 kilometers away from the town. Geography and climate. Thuvakudi is located at 10.756389 degrees north, 78.801111 degrees east, 10.756389, 78.801111. The average elevation is 88 meters. The topology of Thuvakudi is almost flat, with a few isolated hillocks rising above the surface. The city is spread over an area of 14.371 square kilometers, is situated between Tiruchirappalli and Thanjavur. Red soil is the most common type of soil, which is conducive for dry crops like chillies, cotton and groundnut. Thuvakudi is hot and dry for at least 8 months of the year. The hottest months are from March to July, during which the city experiences frequent dust storms. During this period, the days are extremely warm and dry, while evenings are rendered cooler due to the cold winds that blow from the southeast. Thuvakudi experiences a moderate climate from August to October, tempered by heavy rain and thunder showers, and cool and balmy climate from November to February. Fog and dew are rare and occur only during the winter season. It receives an average annual rainfall of around 850 mm. Demographics. According to 2011 census, Thuvakudi had a population of 38,887 with a sex ratio of 842 females for every 1,000 males, much above the national average of 929. A total of 3,261 were under the age of 6, constituting 1,667 males and 1,594 females. Scheduled castes and scheduled tribes accounted for 17.58% and 99% of the population respectively. The average literacy of the town was 81.56% compared to the national average of 72.99%. The town had a total of 9,402 households. There were a total of 13,911 workers, comprising 150 cultivators, 137 main agricultural laborers, 89 in household industries, 11,396 other workers, 2,139 marginal workers, 21 marginal cultivators, 108 marginal agricultural laborers, 52 marginal workers in household industries and 1,958 other marginal workers. As per the religious census of 2011, Thuvakudi had 83.68% Hindus, 5.05% Muslims, 10.8% Christians, 0.05% 0.5% Sikhs, 0.03% Buddhists, 0.04% Jains, 0.33% following other religions and 0.03% following no religion. It did not indicate any religious preference. In 2009, 45% population resided in slums, which is much higher than the normative standard of 10%. The sex ratio of the town is 914 and the literacy rate is 78%. In 2001, the population density of the town was 2,465 persons per square kilometre, and most of the residential area was concentrated around the Thuvakudi Malay area. The centre of the town and Thuvakudi Malay are the major residential centres. The workforce is 31% of the total population and 90% of the working population is engaged in tertiary sector activities. The town has a total area of 1,437 hectares, and in 2001 65% of the land was used by industries like SIDCO, BHEL, industrial corridors and educational institutes like NIT and government polytechnic. Municipal administration and politics. Thuvakudi was constituted as a town panchayat and promoted to a third-grade municipality in 2004. It was promoted to a second-grade municipality in 2010. The Thuvakudi municipality has 21 wards covering an area of 14.7 square kilometers, and there is an elected councillor for each of those wards. The functions of the municipality are devolved into 6 departments: general administration, personnel, engineering, revenue, public health, city planning and information technology. All these departments are under the control of a municipal commissioner who is the executive head. The legislative powers are vested in a body of 21 members, one each from the 21 wards. The legislative body is headed by an elected chairperson assisted by a deputy chairperson. Thuvakudi comes under the Thuvakudi Assembly constituency, and it elects a member to the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly once every 5 years. For the 1977 elections, All India Anna Dravid Munnetric Kazhagam won the assembly seat 4 times, Dravida Munnetric Kazhagam 3 times, and Communist Party of India. 1989. The current MLA of the constituency is S. Senthil Kumar from DMDK. Law and order in the town is maintained by the Tiruchirappalli division of the Tamil Nadu Police headed by a deputy superintendent. There is 1 police stations in the town. There are special units like prohibition enforcement, district crime, social justice and human rights, district crime records, and special branch that operate at the district level police division headed by a superintendent of police. Economy and transportation. Thuvakudi is an industrial town with more than 250 industrial units located in and around the town. SIDCO Industrial Estate covers the 250 industries. Bharat Heavy Electricals has a boiler plant and seamless steel tube processing center, both of which are located within Thuvakudi municipal limits. Thuvakudi historically had a lot of stone quarries. The Thuvakudi municipality maintains 29.56 kilometers of road. The town has 7.65 kilometers concrete road, 10.4 kilometers bituminous road, 5.95 kilometers of WBM roads, and 5.56 kilometers of gravel roads. The town is located in the national highway NH65, at a distance of 25 kilometers from Tiruchirappalli and 30 kilometers from Thanjavur. There are 3 major roads from Thuvakudi: Trichy-Thanjavur National Highways NH65, Thuvakudi Malay-Ayampati State Highways, and Thuvakudi-Kirana State Highways. The Thuvakudi bus stand is located on NH65 and has 12 bus shelters. Thuvakudi is served by town bus service, which provides connectivity within the town and the suburbs. The nearest railway station is Tiruchirappalli. The nearest local and international airport is the Tiruchirappalli International Airport. Education and utility services. In 2011, there were 2 primary schools, 2 middle schools and 1 higher secondary school. The Government Arts College in Thuvakudi, Malay, Government Polytechnic Trackstep, State Institute of Hotel Management and AMP Catering Technology, formerly known as Foodcraft Institute and National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli of the colleges and AMP institutes present in the town. Electricity supply to Thuvakudi is regulated and distributed by the Tamil Nadu Electricity Board. The town, along with its suburbs, is a part of Tiruchirappalli electricity distribution circle. Water supply is provided by the Thuvakudi municipality from the Kollidam River through to overhead tanks. In the period 2000-2001, a total of 2.2 million litres of water was supplied every day for households in the town. As per the municipal data for 2011, about 8.85 metric tons of solid waste were collected from Thuvakudi every day by door-to-door collection, and subsequently the source segregation and dumping was carried out by the sanitary department of the Thuvakudi municipality. There is no underground drainage system in the town, and the sewerage system for disposal of sludge is through septic tanks, open drains and public conveniences. In 2011, the municipality maintained a total of 1,126 street lamps, 184 sodium lamps, 4 mercury vapor lamps and 990 tube lights. The municipality operates 1 market and a bus stand.